Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. It's time now for Legally Speaking with attorney Carol Thomas. Thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you, Lauren. It's great to be here.
Happy to have you. So, Carol, today we're talking about elder law, estate planning, and trusts. So you are an elder law attorney. Tell us what kind of cases you deal with.
Well, elder law is actually a part of estate planning. Estate planning is typically, Lauren, someone goes to a lawyer and talks about what happens the day that I die. Elder law is the part of estate planning where we talk about if there's an incapacity issue before you die. We want families to be prepared because it's horrible if someone isn't prepared for an incapacity issue.
We have a new seminar coming up. Tell us where and when it's happening and what you'll be covering.
Okay, I love that I have a seminar coming up. It's going to be May 14th in Saginaw Township at the Horizons Conference Center, and I have sessions at 10, 12, and 5. And I love doing these seminars, and basically the theme is don't lose your life savings by not being prepared. So many people think, oh, it's simple, all I need is a will. But I talk at the seminars about what if suddenly you have a stroke? What if there's an incapacity issue? Are you prepared so that you don't lose your life savings, you don't lose your income, you don't potentially lose your house? It's horrible when these bad things happen when people aren't prepared.
So a lot of planning takes place that people probably aren't aware of.
They're not aware of it, and that's why I love doing these seminars, because otherwise I don't know where people could get the information. People say, well, I tried Googling this and it's not on the internet. And so that's why I do the seminars. And I love that they filled a capacity, and I've been doing them for 27 years.
27 years. That is amazing. And they always filled a capacity, like you said. Why do you think that is?
I think it's the snowball effect. I was actually thinking when I was driving in this morning, when I started 27 years ago, I put a little ad in the newspaper and a few people came, and just after that, they've just grown over the years. And I love that I can be on TV5 promoting the seminars, and I love teaching people what they need to know.
Right. And people can ask you questions, right?
Absolutely.
There'll be discussions.
Yes, I talk for about 45 minutes, and then we have questions and answers afterwards. I love the questions and answer part the best.
Right. Why should someone attend one of your seminars? If they're thinking about it, if they've got questions in their head, why should they stop by?
Because there isn't anywhere else to get this information. And as we all are getting older, and I really say if someone's over the age of 50, they need to start thinking about this, because you don't know when there might be a medical crisis. I use the example of a stroke, but there's so many things that can happen, and people do need to learn. I used to be a teacher, so that's why I love doing this, so people can find out what are my options. At least they're informed, and then they can decide what they want to do.
Always better to be prepared for the
Absolutely,
unexpected,
Lauren.
right?
Yes, you're absolutely
Never
right.
know what's going to happen.
Right.
Well, Carol, is there anything else you'd like people to know before we wrap up?
Well, I just want people to know that it's interesting what I hear every day. Every day, 2 to 4 times I hear, I would never place my loved one in a nursing home. I would never do that. I also hear, I can't believe I'm here because I'm having to place my loved one in a nursing home. So it's not something that you can plan for. It's not something that anyone says, boy, I can't wait to put my husband in a nursing home. It's not that way, but we never know when something might change in our lives, and I just want people to know their options.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for coming on here and giving us some more information.
Thank you, Lauren.
If you would like more information on anything we discussed, head on over to the hot link section on our website at WNEM.com.